Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you have been to my channel several times and you have still not subscribed, guys, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe it right now, right now. Click the subscribe button. And if you're first time on my channel, a special welcome to you and even more special welcome to my subscribers. And yes, so let's begin with today's video. So yes, so today's video is going to be every single thing about heart chakra. What are the symptoms that it is blocked or not, and then different ways by which you can align your heart chakra. So yes, let's get into it. So what exactly heart chakra is? Heart chakra is a chakra exactly in the middle of the heart, in the middle of the spinal cord here. It's the primarily fourth chakra here inside our heart, in between our chest, inside our heart. So yes, this is the heart chakra, and the color associated with heart chakra is green and pink. So if you want your heart chakra to be strong, you know, it should be strong, then you should wear some pink jewelry or green jewelry, or paint your house green or pink, so that your heart chakra can get stronger just by being in green and pink color environment. Okay, so what are the signs? What are the signs of a blocked heart chakra? So you feel, what are the signs of a blocked heart chakra? The first, you feel extremely shy. I remember like 1 year ago, I was this girl who was extremely shy. I cannot even go and talk to someone. Yes, so I cannot even go and talk to someone. I felt so shy. And if you are someone who is extremely shy, trust me, this is one of the biggest signs of a blocked heart chakra. And you feel loneliness, you feel shy, you feel loneliness, you feel depressed. So why does a person feel depressed? There are multiple reasons, but the most basic reason is feeling lonely, feeling not worthy enough, not loving yourself enough are the reasons which cause depression. And all these reasons are associated with a weak or blocked heart chakra. So if you are depressed, you are shy, you feel lonely, you don't feel happy, you feel unmotivated, like you don't want to do this everyday task, you feel unmotivated, it's because of your heart chakra. It's blocked. If you have an open heart chakra, an open and powerful harmonious heart chakra, then what happens is you feel excited, you want to go and do your tasks like very happily, you're so happy, you have this inner happiness which is not explainable. These are the points to be kept in mind. So one of the biggest signs again is you cannot forgive people. For example, someone did something bad to you. If you can forgive someone, it means your heart chakra is open. You have a big, and the more you can forgive someone, the better and more powerful your heart chakra is. If someone hurts you and you cannot forgive them back, you are staying on the past. You are having these grudges about someone. Again, these are the signs of a blocked heart chakra. So what can we do is start forgiving people. I know it's very hard for a beginner, but you have to practice it. Whatever someone does to you, you have to forgive. I know it's very hard, but you have to begin with this, forgiving everyone, giving. Heart chakra is all about giving. So the more you'll do it in itself, naturally it will start opening. So yes, and then you have empathy. You are very accepted. Now, one more signs of a blocked heart chakra is self-love issues, self-acceptance issues. Okay, if a maid is coming to your house and she's sitting with you and you're not liking this, it means you are not able to accept that person. You are not able to accept that person. You have self-love issues. You do not like this about you. You do not like that about you. You have acceptance issues. You are not ready to accept yourself however you are. you're not ready to accept that mate, you're not ready to accept that poverty of your mate, you're not ready to accept yourself, your negative traits, you're not ready to accept them, you don't like yourself, you feel shy while going out, you feel very self-conscious, it means blocked heart chakra. Because if you have an open heart chakra, it means you accept everyone, you even accept that aunt, you know, I mean, you accept every single person, every single thing, you accept however you are, and you love yourself completely from your heart, you love others completely, and you love even a small ant, you will save the life of even a small animal because you have accepted even that animal, you love him from heart. So these are so yeah, this is all. Yes, letting go. Don't if someone died in your family or something wrong has happened, this means your heart chakra has completely blocked off, you're very defensive, you all these signs are of a blocked heart chakra. Now moving on to the ways by which one can overcome this thing, or ways by which one can improve their heart chakra. So there are several ways by which you can overcome this thing and make your heart chakra balanced and strong. There are several ways, do whichever way you like. Okay, so one of the ways is by positive affirmation. If you keep speaking, my heart chakra is strong, I love everyone around me, everyone loves me, and I forgive myself and everyone, I accept myself and every single one. Keep speaking these affirmations. You can make your own affirmations and keep speaking them till you believe it. What will happen is you will keep speaking them like, I am beautiful, I am strong, I love myself, and slowly but steadily these affirmations which you are speaking consciously, I am speaking, I love myself, and then this will get transported to your subconscious, and subconscious is the place which will let us believe it. If we will keep speaking, I love myself, then slowly and steadily this will actually happen. This is how the law of attraction actually works. But yes, keep speaking, I am worthy of love, I love myself, I am deserving, I forgive everyone, I will sacrifice everything for everyone, I am thankful to everyone. Gratitude is very important, and especially for your heart chakra. I missed that point, but yes, gratitude is very important. I trust everyone, I love everyone. All these affirmations. And there is one mantra which you can speak continuously, it will help you, is yum, yum, yum. This will help you to really open it. There are certain yoga practices as well. It is on my screen. So this asana is called pranayama salama bhujangasana. I'm sorry for pronouncing it wrong, but I did a lot of research on this topic, and I have made this video for you. So yes, do this yoga asana by laying down on the ground, stretching yourself from the top, and letting your heart chakra expand and open. Don't always keep your body posture like this or this or this. Keep open this heart chakra area. Okay, so there are certain crystals as well. Crystals are very powerful, and one of the powerful heart chakra crystal is rose quartz. Is very powerful, and it is one of my favorite crystals. And then emerald is also very powerful. Emerald, rose quartz, those are like the powerful heart chakra openers. And then you can look at the vibration of your heart and play that music on when you are studying or meditating, and then speak positive affirmations. If you will ask about my personal experience. Yes, so talking about my personal experience, what I did was I played the affirmation. I used to speak affirmations in my mind, and then I used to play the heart chakra music, vibrational music. subliminal, and then I used to meditate, and it all worked out great. The other things that I did was I started to sacrifice just in my normal everyday life. I tried to forgive everyone a little. I started little by little, and then I started to forgive everyone. It's okay, it's okay. I started to forgive everyone, and then I started to give everyone, and then it itself started to open. So guys, I wish you guys all the best, that you get successful in opening your heart chakra, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. I really hope you do. And if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you didn't like the video, give this video a thumbs down. And thanks for watching. Bye. See you guys in the next video.